Hello knitters! Today I'm thrilled to share a review of the yarns from one of my favorite yarn companies called Blacker Yarns. Blacker Yarns is a British yarn company based in Cornwall, one of the most beautiful parts of the UK. They're renowned for their commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. All their yarns are spun in-house at their own mill, allowing them full control and traceability. What sets them apart is their focus on breed-specific wool, preserving the unique characteristics of each sheep breed. And this means every ball of yarn tells a story of the land and the sheep and the people who care for both. Blacker Yarns combines traditional craftsmanship with respect for animals and environment. They produce heirloom-quality yarns with a conscience. The yarn I'm reviewing today is Blacker Swan DK. It's 100% pure new wool made from Falkland Islands Merino. Just hearing the name already tells you it's no ordinary wool. Each ball contains 50 grams, 110 meters, and it's a DK weight. The recommended tension is 20 stitches and 28 rows over 10 centimeters square. The color I'm showing today is sand. It's a beautifully warm natural shade that works well for both accessories and garments. This yarn has a bounce. It feels almost like a springing lamb in your hand. And it's soft, evenly spun, and you can immediately tell it's been produced with care and precision. If you ever have a yarn that feels almost too beautiful to knit with, like you'd rather keep it in a perfect ball form forever, this is one of those. It slides smoothly along the metal and it feels just so lovely in the hand. And here is the swatch I made. The stitch definition is incredible. Clean, even, and full of life. I can immediately imagine this yarn becoming a classic crew neck jumper. I think I need to start designing one, for sure. But I'm going to create a really lovely glove design with this. So for me, Blacker Swan DK has everything I look for in a yarn. Ethical natural fibers, excellent stitch definition, amazing knitting experience, soft springy nature with rich character when it's knitted up, and a story of sustainable and respectful wool production. What more could a knitter ask for? You can find more details about this yarn in the video description below, and I can't wait to show you the glove project I'm working on with it. And thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy knitting!